Remember Nokia? That brand we all grew up with? The one that gave us indestructible phones and the iconic Snake game? Well, hold on to your seats, because it looks like Nokia is about to make the comeback of the century. Forget everything you thought you knew, because the rumored Nokia NX 5G is here to redefine the flagship game. And trust me, once you hear these specs, you'll be as hyped as I am. Let's start with what you'll be staring at all day: the display. We're talking about a massive 6.8-inch QHD LTPO OLED panel. That's not just big, it's brilliant. With a stunning 2K resolution, everything you watch, from movies to your friend's latest social media post, will look incredibly sharp and vibrant. But it gets better. It features a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a mind-blowing 390Hz touch sampling rate. What does that mean for you? It means scrolling is flawless, animations are liquid smooth, and every tap and swipe is registered instantly. This is the kind of responsiveness that gamers dream of. To top it all off, it's rumored to have an in-display fingerprint sensor for that sleek, premium, and secure unlocking experience. Now let's talk about the cameras, because this is where Nokia seems to be going all out. On the back, we're expecting a triple camera setup that is nothing short of legendary. The headliner? A jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main lens. Yes, you heard that right. 200 megapixels. Imagine the level of detail, the clarity, and the sheer quality of the photos you'll be able to capture. Whether you're shooting breathtaking landscapes or just a picture of your pet, every single detail will pop. Joining this powerhouse sensor are a 32-megapixel lens and a 5-megapixel sensor. This trio will likely cover all your needs, from stunning portraits with beautiful background blur to ultra-wide shots that capture the whole scene, and even detailed macro photography. And for all you selfie lovers, don't worry, Nokia hasn't forgotten you. The front is expected to house a sharp 32-megapixel camera, ensuring your selfies and video calls are always crystal clear. This isn't just a phone with a camera. It's a professional photography studio in your pocket. So, it's got a great screen and amazing cameras. But what about the power? What's running this whole show? Under the hood, the Nokia NX 5G is rumored to be packing the unannounced next-generation Snapdragon 8's Gen 4 chipset. If this turns out to be true, we are looking at an absolute performance beast. This processor is expected to crush everything you throw at it. High-end gaming with maxed-out graphics? Effortless. Editing 4K videos on the go? No problem. Heavy multitasking with dozens of apps open? It won't even break a sweat. Paired with this powerhouse, the phone is rumored to run on the upcoming Android 16. This means you're not just getting top-tier performance today, but you're also future-proofed with the latest software, features, and security updates for years to come. This combination of hardware and software promises a seamless, fast, and intelligent user experience. All right? A powerful phone needs a powerful battery, and Nokia is not cutting any corners here. The Nokia NX 5G is expected to come with a colossal 7,500 mAh battery. Let's put that into perspective. That's almost double the capacity of some other flagship phones on the market. This means you could potentially go 2, maybe even 3 days on a single charge with moderate use. It's an absolute game changer for anyone who is tired of being tethered to a wall outlet. But what about when you finally do need to charge? It reportedly supports 90W fast charging. This means you can get hours and hours of power in just a matter of minutes. That's a huge battery that also charges incredibly fast. The best of both worlds. Now for the million-dollar question, or in this case, the $750 question. With all these incredible top-of-the-line specs, you'd expect a price tag well over $1,000, right? Well, the rumored price for the Nokia NX 5G is around $750. If Nokia can deliver this package at this price point, it would be one of the best value flagships ever made. The launch is anticipated by the end of this year, just in time to shake up the holiday season. So, what do you think? A 200-megapixel camera, the next-gen Snapdragon processor, a massive battery, and a gorgeous 120Hz display, all for around $750. Is this the ultimate comeback story? Could the Nokia NX 5G be the phone that puts the legendary brand back on top? I am genuinely excited about this, and I want to know your thoughts. Drop a comment below and let me know if you think this is the comeback king we've all been waiting for. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all the latest tech news, make sure to hit that like button